It appears most of the problems in our society with regards to marriage are inspired by so-called celebrities in the entertainment industry. Some of these folks are just turning things upside down. How come a lady is in a hurry to sleep with a man who is not her husband, get pregnant for him and make babies, but when it comes to marriage she would say she's taking her time? Interesting. See what singer Amawami, a single mother, said about marriage below. How is your baby, Camilla, doing? She is doing really fine. How come you hardly show her off? There is no time for all of that. She goes to school and she comes from a large family. When she is not with me, she could be with her grandparents or her godmother, or her many uncles and aunties. She was born into a large on both sides. Why are you yet to disclose the identity of the father? It doesn't really concern anybody. Do you have plans to get married? Matrimony is not something to rush into, and I intend to live by that. I will not fall for the pressure of marriage, because if I do and in the end something goes wrong, the same people will ask why I didn't take my time. I don't think it is a bad thing to take my time to understand the person I intend getting married to. Does that imply there is someone on board at the moment? Damn, no day no finish.